Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of health and fitness, but we won't be taking the conventional route. Oh no, we are about to embark on a journey filled with laughter, fun, and some rather unconventional ways to get fit. Picture a world where workouts involve dance parties, and salads are the star of the show. Are you intrigued? Good, because we're just getting warmed up. So buckle up and prepare for a wild ride. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about cardio. But not your typical humdrum run-of-the-mill cardio. No, we're thinking outside the box. Or rather, we're dancing outside the box. You see, the best kind of workout is the one that doesn't feel like work at all. And what's more joyous and less work-like than a spontaneous dance party? So crank up your favorite beats and let your body move to the rhythm. Channel your inner pop star, your hidden ballerina, or your secret breakdancer. There's no judgment here. The only rule is to have fun and keep moving. Let your heart rate rise with the crescendo of the music. Let your feet mimic the drum beats. Swing those arms like drumsticks, shimmy those shoulders, and wiggle those hips. And here's a little secret. The sillier your dance moves, the better. Not only will you burn more calories, but you'll also have a good laugh. And we all know that laughter is the best medicine, right? So go ahead, do the robot, the chicken dance, or even the floss. Dance like no one's watching. Dance like you're the star of your own music video. Dance like you're trying to embarrass your cat. Because at the end of the day, it's not about perfect moves or rhythm. It's all about burning calories, having fun, and yes, maybe even embarrassing your cat. Now, for those days when you'd rather Netflix and chill, literally, we've got the couch potato workout. Imagine this. You're snuggled up under a blanket, a bowl of popcorn within arm's reach, your favorite series on the screen. Sounds like the perfect lazy day, right? But wait, what if we could turn this into a workout? Let's infuse some fitness into your binge-watching sessions. Here's the deal. Grab your remote, and every time someone says pizza on screen, do 5 jumping jacks. Yes, you heard that right. Pizza just became your new fitness trigger. Now, you might be wondering, why jumping jacks? Well, they're a great full-body exercise that boosts your heart rate and burns calories. Plus, you can do them right in front of your couch. No gym membership required. Let's take it up a notch. Watching a tearjerker? Every time someone cries on screen, do 10 sit-ups. Comedy series? Each time you laugh, do a quick set of arm curls with your popcorn bowl. See, even your snacks can help you stay fit. And let's not forget about hydration. Every episode break is your cue to drink a glass of water. So, not only are you working out, but you're also keeping yourself hydrated. It's a win-win situation. By the end of Friends, you'll be sweating like Ross in a leather pants situation. So let's get those muscles moving, one episode at a time. Eating healthy doesn't have to be dull. It's time for salad wars. Picture this, my friends. A battlefield of greens, a clash of cucumbers, a duel of dressings. This is not just about eating healthy, it's about having a blast while doing it. So, how do you wage a salad war? Well, it's simple really. Gather your fellow health warriors and stock up on your favorite salad ingredients. Spinach, arugula, kale, you name it. Don't forget to arm yourselves with an array of vibrant veggies. Tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, the more colorful the better. Now the fun begins. Each of you has to create a salad masterpiece. Mix and match your ingredients. Experiment with different dressings. The only rule? There are no rules. But what's a war without a little competition, right? The salad that looks the most appetizing, tastes the best, and packs the most nutritional punch wins the salad war. And the prize? Well, apart from the satisfaction of victory and the joy of a full belly, the winner gets bragging rights and a lifetime supply of kale chips. Trust me, it's a thing. So, what are you waiting for? Let the salad wars begin. May the best salad win. And remember, in the end, no matter who wins, we all score a victory for health. Now that's a win-win situation, isn't it? Strength training, anyone? Say hello to the water bottle bicep curl. Quite an exotic name, isn't it? Well, it's as simple and fun as it sounds. Now you don't need to have a swanky gym membership or those fancy dumbbells to do a bit of strength training. All you need are a couple of water bottles. Yes, you heard it right. So, let's get started. Grab 2 water bottles from your kitchen. Fill them up to the brim. Yes, right to the top. You'll not only be doing a bit of weightlifting, but you'll also have a refreshing drink handy when you're done. Now, stand up straight, feet shoulder-width apart, and hold the water bottles in each hand. Keep your elbows close to your body and your wrists straight. Then, slowly lift the bottles by bending your elbows and keeping your upper arms stationary. Remember, the movement should only be in your forearms. Then lower your arms back down slowly, and voila, you've done your first water bottle bicep curl. Now, repeat this 10 times, and do 3 sets with a minute's rest between each set. You'll start feeling the burn in your biceps, and that's a good sign. It means you're doing it right. And the best part? You can do this anywhere, anytime. Whether you're watching TV, waiting for dinner to cook, or just bored out of your mind, you can flex those guns and get a bit of exercise. Because nothing says fit like well-moisturized biceps. Let's get serious for a moment. Inspirational quotes are essential. They act like those little bursts of sunshine on a cloudy day, nudging us forward when we're knee-deep in sweat and wondering why we ever thought burpees were a good idea. But today, we're not just going to share any old quote. We're about to drop a wisdom bomb that's both hilarious and motivating. Ready? Here it goes. Sweat is just your fat crying. Yes, you heard that right. Let that sink in for a moment. Picture your fat cells, decked out in tiny little handkerchiefs, sobbing away as you bust out another set of squats. It's a bit of a giggle, isn't it? But it's also a powerful reminder of the transformative process our bodies undergo when we exercise. Each bead of sweat is a testament to your hard work, your dedication, your resilience. So the next time you're feeling a bit down, remember, your sweat is not a sign of defeat, it's a sign of victory. It's evidence of your fat cells throwing in the towel, admitting they're no match for your unstoppable spirit. Now, wouldn't that make for a fantastic motivational poster? Picture it, a bold, colorful design, our hilarious quote at the center, maybe even a cartoon fat cell shedding a tear or two. Hang it next to your snack drawer and let it serve as a funny, inspiring reminder of your fitness journey. Slap that on a motivational poster and hang it next to your snack drawer. Cooling down is crucial, so let's end with a laugh. A good belly laugh is like a mini workout for your abs, and it boosts your mood too. Who knew that fitness could be this fun? Let's lighten the mood with a classic, a knock-knock joke. Are you ready? Here we go. Knock-knock. Pause for effect and then continue with a chuckle. Who's there? It's lettuce. Pause again, building anticipation, then deliver the punchline with a hearty laugh. Lettuce who? Well, lettuce turnip the beat. Pause for laughter, then continue. Now, wasn't that a cool way to end our fitness journey today? You've not only worked your body but also your funny bone. And remember, it's not just about the physical exercises, but also about having a positive, fun-loving attitude towards life and health. So the next time you're feeling down or stressed, remember this knock-knock joke. Not only will it bring a smile to your face, but it might also remind you to get up, move around, and maybe even do a little dance. After all, laughter is the best medicine, and it's a great way to cool down after a workout too. So there you have it, a fun, healthy, and hilarious way to stay fit. Remember, fitness can be fun, so keep on laughing, keep on moving, and most importantly, lettuce turnip the beat. Thanks for joining us, fabulous folks. We've danced, laughed, and even sweated a bit, all in the name of health and fitness. Remember, inspiration can come from the most unexpected sources, even a hilarious workout video. So don't keep this fun to yourself. Share it, spread the joy, and inspire others to get moving. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this quirky fitness journey. Stay fit, stay fabulous, and keep laughing. Until next time.